Talking about copper piping and how to work with it. First thing you got to do is get yourself the right tools, and there's a few things involved here. Number one being a torch. Now this is a gas canister. This is a torch, mate. Okay? There's two kinds of, there's propane gas, and then there's what this is called as MAP gas. Now MAP gas is a little hotter. You can use propane. I prefer the MAP gas because it's a hotter gas, which means you're going to get a quicker solder, or sweat as we call it. Okay, and here's your torch. You just basically put this on here. Okay, screw it in, and you're ready to go. It has an adjustable nozzle here that will give you either a hotter or cooler flame, depending on what your needs are. Now, on to the next. Before you solder pipe, you got to cut it. This is the tool for cutting pipe. Very easy to use. You can adjust it up and back with this tool right here. It cuts almost up to an inch. I think this will cut an 1.25 inch pipe. Today, we only need it for 1/2 inch, okay? So basically, you adjust it, you put it around the pipe this way, and you go around and around until it's cut with this little blade. You can get this at any hardware store. The next thing you're going to need once you cut your pipe is you've got to clean it. And we have several cleaning tools, okay? We have emery cloth. This is for wiping and cleaning the ends of the pipe. And this is a wire brush. Now this is used for cleaning inside of the pipe as such. You always want to clean the pipe really good. This gets it ready for the solder. You want to rough it up. And again, this is the same kind of a cleaning tool for the ends. This is a little large, but it does the same thing. It'll clean the outside. You put it on there, rotate it, and it cleans off the ends. You really want to make sure you do this on every piece of copper before you solder it. Very important, so that the flow rate and the coverage will be perfect. Okay, next thing, of course, is solder. And this is lead-free solder, which is pretty standard nowadays because we're really trying to keep the environment good. Next thing you need is flux. Flux is a paste, okay? This makes your solder flow evenly. You coat all of the insides and edges with it. And this is a reaming tool that can actually refine your cuts if you need it, but you don't often need this. Here's a brush. That's an applicator for your flux. And that's it. Those are your tools.